Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Ultra Snapchat lag on Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and click on this power icon and click on restart. Again click on restart, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search Snapchat app from here. Click on Snapchat app. Click on storage. If you want to fix this problem, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, click on clear data and click on delete. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app. Scroll down and click on device care. After click on device care, click on storage. After click on storage, so you will see your storage. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Ultra Snapchat lag on Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.